Just got my hair done, don't have any extensions in. This is my hair. And since people are always asking me, how do you get it to stay that, you know, silver blonde color, I decided to do a video and do a step-by-step process. This is not easy. You have to be married to this color if you decide to do it. And my hair's finally growing, like these pieces here, they were sticking up like this last time I had my hair done. So this is the after, and I'll show you the how-to right now. Okay, so Alicia has been so kind to allow me to film this because I get so many questions about how do you keep your hair gray. And you can see these roots today. You gonna be able to go white, girl? White. Okay, so we're gonna do this step-by-step process. It's not easy, but I mean, if you wanna do it, you gotta do it, right?
It's gonna take some time, but
look how blonde her hair is. Look at that. Process, it does take longer, but in order to avoid the gold band halo,
the gold band, and to avoid breakage, you know, that's the thing, is that you don't want to like this little hair here. I need to wait until the very end to even put lightener on it because it's not long enough to lay one way or the other.
Yeah.
So I just thought I gotta wait to do it. I'm not trying to do it all at once because I can't. I'll end up getting another issue.
Yeah. I know just where you're going. So what does the cotton do?
The cotton is a soft heat conductor, so it's not like using foil, but it does conduct. It helps to hold the heat. And then it also helps from, if the lightener swells, for it to not have onto
Okay.
I am lightly feathering into the old though because I want to lift some of it out. It's not like removing toner, like it needs to be just like a little bit lighter.
It's called feathering, just barely.
Exactly.
Baby hairs.
It's like the most meticulous process ever around the baby hairs.
So what are you doing here? Like what is this?
So there was still a little bit of a gold band, so now I'm just going through.
Oh, okay, I see it.
So I'm just touching that up, making sure that we're nice and clean all the way through.
Okay. This
It's
hair
a lot easier to fix it with the lightener than it is to try and fix it with the toner. Toner can't fix it.
So tell me if you just left it like that and we toned it, what would happen?
There would be a difference. I would either have to use two different toners. I would either have to make your root a lot darker, or you would have to go through and do a really different toner on that area, but it wouldn't be even.
Okay. Like you said, it's all about the bleach.
It's all about the bleach.
Time to wash. How long have we been processing these?
Probably total an hour and a half or so.
Okay, so oh my God, the hair is so white. So what are we doing now?
So now we're gonna remove all this old toner that you have in here.
Okay. How do you do that?
We're gonna safely do it by mixing very hot water and lightening powder. Okay. So instead of mixing it with a developer or processing solution, we're just gonna mix it with hot water because we actually don't need. We're just trying to open up your cuticle. We're not actually trying to lift anything. Okay. So that's all it'll take. Can you believe how light it is?
I can't believe it. What is this mask that you're putting on?
This is the Olaplex.
Oh, it's an Olaplex. Okay, and only on the root.
Only on the roots, yeah.
Okay. Before you do that, so you leave this in when you do the lightener?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh wow!
Gray color.
Yeah. So why you didn't do that very long?
No.
It doesn't take long to do it. Okay. It's just to lift that old toner out.
Right. And that was just with just water and the powder. That was it. This one's the Orbe Signature Mask. And it's just going to help to kind of bring your cuticle back down because we just blew it open with a bunch of bleach in my hair. So it's just helping to bring it back down to the normal pH level, and that way it'll help for your toner to take more evenly also.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
So now we're toning. It's going to start looking purple.
Yeah, so this is where people decide, like, you're gonna be a caramel blonde, a butter blonde, a beige blonde. I like the silver, blonde silvery look. So this is where the stylist. Can you do this at home?
You probably can, but should you know?
I can't, but I'm sure there's some people that could. I would never bleach my own hair, ever. I don't recommend that. But if you're, you know, you're like, maybe go get it bleached and you can't afford the extra process, could you tone at home?
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely, well now especially, there's so many toning shampoos and conditioners out there. But that would be the safest and most controlled way. I wouldn't recommend like going and like trying to find the toner to buy it. You just don't know what's really going to happen.
Plus you just spent all that money bleaching your hair. If you go the wrong way, you ruined everything.
Exactly. And just because it comes out like, you know, in the little swatch, that doesn't necessarily mean that that's what your hair is going to do. You know, we could put this toner on your hair and then we could put it on somebody's hair who didn't get as blonde as yours, and they're going to do two different things. So just because the little swatch says one thing doesn't mean that that's exactly what's going to happen to your hair.
So I noticed that the toner looks dark now. Is this part normal?
Yes. So because of the violet undertones, typically whenever you're toning somebody to be a ash tone or a silver or a gray, whatever you want to call it, there is a lot of blue and a lot of purple pigment in those different colors. So when they start oxidizing, they look darker than like if somebody was to go like a golden blonde.
But when we rinse this, it's going to be that platinum color that I want.
Because even though it's looking really dark right now,
I mean, it really does look dark.
The level of toner that we're using is not even part of it. It's not a level 9, it's not a level 10, it's not a level 8, it's not even on the chart and how light it is. So the molecule itself, the color maintain itself, is just a darker one, but it's so small that it rips it out quickly and then it's just going to be nice.
And why are you only doing the crown right now?
Right now I'm working on just like the top of the hair because your ends of your hair are so porous that they'll pick up the toner a lot quicker.
As you can see, this hair is dark purple, but it's not going to look like this when you rinse it, right?
No.
You made my hair purple, didn't you? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. It's not even dry yet. Look how light it is. Okay, so you just put the carousel in first, and then you did the rich repair. They're both by the same, okay, it's Goldwell. This is your preference. Why? Why are you putting it in?
I think, especially after you go through a big process like this, that's really
This is hard. Hard on my hair. Hard on anybody's
hard on hair. Very hard on anybody's hair. Even if you have like super strong hair, you're still taking something out of it when you're bleaching your hair. So these two products have everything that the hair needs to put back into it to help keep it strong. That way you can curl the hair, you can put it up in a ponytail, you can do whatever you want to do.
Less breakage.
And you'll maintain the same integrity.
So this did not break off.
No.
Okay. It's the same length as when I came in. Okay, how did you do that?
Seriously. So because you did have some like breakage before.
Remember when I first came in, it was like little pieces.
It was like this long.
Yeah.
So just by like making sure that we didn't overlap the hair and we're only lightening the new hair, this hair will continue to grow, it'll get longer, it'll get stronger, and then you won't have to worry about this sticking up that much.
Okay.
That's the goal. But to kind of help them right now, just to get your part like nice and centered, I'm just putting a little bit more of the reparative product on it.
And you recommend I do that at home every day?
Yes.
Put it on there?
Yes. Anytime you wash your hair, even if you're going to let your hair air dry, you don't necessarily have to
Look at it.
I know, it's fine, but once we blow dry, it'll lay down. But even if you're going to let your hair air dry, this product still really be like,
okay. So some people go forever without cutting their hair and they don't understand why their hair doesn't grow.
Exactly. So when you don't cut the hair, even if you have natural hair, even if it's not processed hair, it's going to split. We all get split ends.
That's why it gets thin at the bottom,
That's
right?
why it gets thin at the bottom. And And then what starts happening is that the hair starts to break wherever the split is happening. And if you don't cut split in half, it starts to split higher and higher. So then the hair starts breaking higher and higher. And then that's like some signs of what your hair is doing.
You waited 10 weeks.
Yes.
10 weeks before I came in, and you were able to achieve this